And it's as simple as this. All you're going to do is right click, copy this image over here, come over to this website, click on upload files, and you can start to see automatic payments online ranging from anywhere between $1 and $100 online for doing so. So this is not going to be affiliate marketing, this is not going to be selling anything, and this is not going to be drop shipping, and we're not going to be making YouTube videos or making any kind of content like that. And I'm going to be transparent with you guys, this is not something that is going to make you super rich. It's a great way to collect some extra money online for doing this easy trick that I just showed you to maybe make some money for extra entertainment, extra food, to do stuff in the day, you name it. Or you can use the money that you collect from this video to reinvest into something more sustainable and a much more profitable long-term business model like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or drop servicing. This is going to be very fast to set up. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes to watch throughout this video, set this up, and completely make money on autopilot from this. So I recommend watch this one until the end. It's going to be an epic banger of a video for you guys, as you also don't need any money to get started. It's completely free and it works in every single country in the world, no matter where you are. India, United States, South Africa, Philippines, every single country, all 100 how many ever they are, you can make money from every single country. Guys, I decided to do something different in this video. So at the end of this video, I'm going to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway, but I'm actually going to do an entire course giveaway in this video. So over here on my screen, I've got an entire Make Money on Fiverr mastery course, how this person made 24.7k on Fiverr in their first month as a newbie, how to rank your gigs, how to get to the top. And all you need to do is come over to this link, and if you want to get this link, you just need to leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that, as it pumps me up when I see your positive support. And also comment down below that you're ready, and make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on. That's important, and I'll reply to your comment with the link to this page. You need to enter your name and email, and this course will then be sent to your email, so you must make sure you enter the right email address, otherwise that won't be sent over. But without further ado, guys, we're gonna hop straight into the first step. Alright guys, so we're now inside of my PC over here, and this first step is actually super easy to do. You're going to come over to google.com and just search dog. That's D-O-G, dog. Come over to images over here. You want to click on the settings option over here. You want to click on the tools option over here. Click on usage rights and click on Creative Commons. This setting filters all these images by pictures that you are allowed to reuse without copyright issues. So all of these images you're allowed to download, use as your own, upload wherever you want to, share with whoever you like, and you can do what you want with it. So for example, we can just go choose this image over here. All you're going to do is you're going to click on right click, save image as, and save this to your PC over here. Now I'm literally going to show you how you can turn innocent images like this on Google into commissions and money online, just like this over here. And this is how you're going to make simple money by using Google Images. The next step is you're going to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. This website, as it says, you can upload your files safely, and you can withdraw profits from the various payment methods. They pay via PayPal, Bitcoin, Pay Here, every single worldwide method that you can think of. I even think they even do bank transfer, so you can get paid worldwide on this website to simply upload files. This is not going to be one of those websites where they only pay a couple of cents every 1,000 views or something like that. This website actually pays a decent amount. I'm going to show you proof and exactly how you're going to maximize and at least 2 to 3 times your earnings with this upload tool. Just quickly take a look at some of this important information over here. This tool is a center where you can upload files and images and make money doing so, and they will pay you every time someone downloads an image. How can you earn money? With the referral program. So when you invite people to this website, you will get 10% for the rest of their life. Every single earnings they make, every single downloads or uploads of files that they make, you will make a 10% commission on that for life without actually touching their money, without doing any work. It's quite amazing. And you also get extra 10% profits from the member who registers on your link. They pay out with extremely high rates. I'm going to show you their rates right now. And they also have a very low minimum withdrawal amount of only $1. You only need $1 before you can actually get paid from this website, which is really amazing. So all you're going to do is It's completely free. You don't actually have to worry about this paid plan over here. You need to come over to the top of this website and click on Make Money over here. I'm going to open this in a new tab. It will take you to this page to show you their rates. They've got different tier countries: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4. So tier 1 countries are going to pay between $7 for a simple 0 to 10 meg image or file. Super quick download, and you get a couple of cents. But this is per 1,000 views. I don't want you to be mistaken per view. This is $7 per 1,000 downloads. Now the strategy I'm going to show you is literally how to get thousands of people viewing your images and downloading your images every single day, so you can make this over and over again and make this money on complete autopilot. Tier 2 countries, tier 3 countries, it just lowers a little bit, but like I said, I'm going to show you how to get just tier 1 traffic and over thousands of views on these downloads every single day. And just to show you some other people that are actually earning from this, so you can actually get paid out mostly via pay a year, Scroll, Perfect Money. There's some people getting paid via PayPal as well, but as you can see, most people such as Joanny is making $1, $1, 2 cents, $3, $3, $2, and it's over and over again. You can see this has all been paid out today, the 9th of June, which is now the date I'm recording this video. This person got paid $21, so it's lots of payments over and over again. Some people getting paid $50, and you're not going to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day. It's more going to be like $1, $3, then $5 every couple of hours or so. So as you can see, it's not something that's going to make you super rich, but it's a great way to literally collect free money on autopilot to reinvest into something more sustainable. So now that you understand how much you're going to be earning every single day, we need to come back to the homepage of this website. Simply, you're going to click on Upload Files over here, click on Choose File over here, and choose the image that you've just downloaded off of Google. You'll see it will then upload. Just click on Start Upload over here. It will literally take a second. This is only a 10 kilobyte file, so this is something that anyone can download. Click on your download over here, and this is where the magic happens. Over here, you've got your unique download link. So now every time someone clicks on this link and downloads this image, you're going to make money online. Every time 1,000 people do that, you're going to earn between $3 and $7. And like I explained to you, you're going to learn how to do this over and over again and actually get thousands of people from the top tier countries to view this image and download it every single day. And the next step is you want to come over to Instagram on the search bar and search stock photos and open up a couple of these stock photo pages. Now take a look at this. This page over here is a page that has grown to 212 followers, getting a decent amount of likes for the amount of followers that they have, and they're posting these simple stock videos of Shutterstock. But the reason they're not growing is because they're uploading these poor quality images with all of these watermarks, and people don't want to download that. People want images like this, high quality images without watermarks, whether they want to use it for wallpapers or you name it, so they could use it for what they want to. And now you want to go and create a stock image Instagram theme page, but you want to be better than this. This is an example that I chose to show you a bad example of this so that you can learn from this and not make the same mistake. Over here is another page over here that's focusing on stock images on just flowers. So flowers is a good one to focus on, but obviously you're only going to reach people that are interested in the flower niche. Other people won't be interested in your page. You want to keep your audience as broad as possible. And over here is another page that literally has only posted 4 posts and they are already near 100 followers. So imagine if you do this for a month or 2 and you post 60 posts, how far your page can get. And I'm actually going to show you 2 tools to completely automate this Instagram page. You can sit back, relax. All your posts are going to get lots of likes, post automatically, that's scheduled posting, and you can literally sit back and this entire software is going to completely automate your Instagram business for you. Here's another page over here that's posting again poor quality stock images with all of these little watermarks over here, and that's why these posts aren't doing well. And all you need to do is just click on create an Instagram account or log in with your current one, name it to free stock videos download or something like that. And for each and every post, you just want to have like a link in the bio, which is going to be this link over here. So every time someone taps that link in your bio and downloads your images, you're going to get a whole bunch of money for people just downloading those images. Alright, so there are 2 main tools that I want to show you for you to use to automate your Instagram posts. Over here, firstly, we're going to use this mobile app that you can carry on your phone called #Expert. So #Expert uses intelligent algorithms to find trending hashtags that will grow your social media profiles. So you don't need to waste time thinking of all these hashtags, typing each and every one of them out. All you're going to do is you're going to type in the same term over here, like I did on Google, dog. you're going to put that into hashtag expert, and it will generate you about 30 to 40 hashtags related to dogs that are viral right now, that are hitting the explore page, where there are hundreds of thousands of viewers, even potentially millions of viewers that will see your posts. So go download this app, go and use it, enter your keywords over here and get all these hashtags. And then you want to come over to this website over here called postearly.com. Now I want to show you something incredible. This, you can connect unlimited accounts. You can use auto posting content, smart scheduling your content, so you can set your posts to post every day at 3 o'clock when the majority of your audience is active on Instagram, end-to-end encryption, so it's safe, available on all devices, that's Android and iOS. And take a look, if I come over to the pricing tab, I use the $16 a month count, so very cheap. You can also use the free plan if you like, so you can set up to 16 accounts to do unlimited posting, meaning you can go and create 16 different themed stock images Instagram accounts and make 16 times your money. So over here, it will also give you hashtag suggestions. When people DM you, it will automatically welcome DM them, and you can auto repost your content. You have a comment liker, auto follow people, auto unfollow, auto likes, and auto comment to get tons of engagement. And you can actually have 24/7 support as well. So this is the plan that I use. If you want to really upgrade over time, you can use the $65 plan and set over 65 accounts posting every single month, which is absolutely crazy. The amount of income you can make of 65 automated Instagram accounts is completely crazy. But guys, that's going to be today's short and quick crash course on this, on exactly how you can go and make money with Instagram, Google Images, and completely automate that entire business for you. But like I said, guys, I just quickly want to find that tab again. Don't forget about the giveaway in this video. So on this channel, I'm uploading tons of free courses and free videos every single day that will help you make money online. So the winner of the $20 giveaway is this person on the screen over here. Well done to you. You are the winner of $20. Make sure to DM me on Instagram over here and I will send your giveaway over there. And also make sure to leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video to go and claim your download, to go and claim your giveaway down below. But without further ado, guys, just quickly click on this playlist over here. This is an entire course that will help you make money online in 2021. A whole bunch of videos that I've compiled on YouTube in one simple playlist and course for you guys on this channel. So make sure to go and click this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.